Hi there, it's Ronnie from YRM again. Everyone who got the order on the 14th, I hope you're enjoying your hats and keeping your head nice and warm. We've got none left, so I'm out now. So I've been and got some goodies today, so we're going to be looking at some underfloor supports for your different vehicles. So in the shopping trolley of goods here, we've got all the underfloor supports for 88s, 109s, 90s and 110s. So first one we'll look at, which fits all vehicles from 1958 to 2016 on your 109 4 or 5 door and your 110 4 or 5 door, is our product reference 117B, which is underfloor support between your two seat posts. Now this often corrodes your floor between your two seat posts. You've got your upstand here, your floor comes along here because you've got mild steel, straight and aluminium. And with these, they've been crunched, so then the fuel lines as well. So now we'll look at the shorter underfloor supports. So these are all pressed out on the same tool, but we took different blanks in for different permutations or variants of Defenders or series. So the first one is YRM 061A, and this fits all Defenders and 90s with rear forward facing seats in. Now what makes it different, what makes it for forward facing seats is this cutout here. And this cutout here is to miss your walnuts on your subframe for your seats. Other than that, it's the same profile. The other thing what we've done different is when you look at the underfloor support here, the centre is the deepest section. So what we've done is we put an extra drain hole in there, because otherwise all your muck and rubbish just sits in the middle, then just now it can get out. So your next one is 061B. These fit series and Defenders. So these fit all the way from 1958 up to 2016. These will fit all of your series short wheelbase and long wheelbase cars, as long as you haven't got seats in the back. These will fit your Defender 90s through all years, as long as you haven't got the forward facing seats in the back. They'll also fit your 110 station wagons, as long as you haven't got forward facing seats in the rear on your station wagons. And they'll also fit all the years on Defender 110 vans. So this one is 061C. These are fitted on series and Defender when you've got inward facing lap seats. So lastly, you've got 061D. These will fit series station wagons and Defender 110 station wagons up to 2006. And these mount the furthest most forward on your wheel arches. So you've got your 117B first, then this one. This one takes your seatbelts to the chassis. So you have your 311, which goes through here to mount your seatbelt to the floor. It goes through there. Then this here, it's got the tubing support. So when you bolt it to your chassis, the bolt doesn't collapse through the aluminium. And that will take your seatbelt back to your chassis. So right, what we're going to do now is show you some different configurations for different years of vehicles. So the first one we're going to show you, what we're going to do, Matt?
110 station wagon up to 2006.
Right, so the first one you need is 117B. So this goes between your two seat posts, and obviously your joggle there goes towards the back of the fuel lines. Next one you're going to need is 061D. So that bolts your chassis there, seatbelt goes through there. Next thing you're going to need is 3 of the 61Bs. There, spaced out there. That's your first one. Next configuration we're going to do is
110 station wagon 2007 onwards.
So get rid of these 4. I'm not going to change it for now. This one stays the same. It's the next 4 that change. So these are 61As, and these have the cutouts in for the subframes, the forward facing seats. One more. So the next configuration is going to be
110 van.
Right, so we're going to get rid of all 5 of the underfloor supports now. So we don't need this one. We don't need any of these. And what we need is 6 of the 61Bs. So there's 1, again. And these will also work on a Series 109 van. So next we're going to put together
A 90 van.
So really, all we're going to do here is get rid of 3 of them. These will also work if you've got a Series 8-inch with the square wheel arch but no seats in the back, or if you just got like bench seats fitted. So this is the same permutation there. But if you've got a 90 with forward-facing seats in the back, you don't need these. You need 3 of the Series 61As instead. And again, because you've got the crouch for the forward-facing seats. So with the underfloor supports, we also do the top hats, which run front to back for all the different permutations as well. And they're either 087 or 98. We also do the rubber spacer pads, which on the later models adhered to your underfloor support, and on the early models they riveted on. So the holes are cut in there, just need pushing out. Now rivet on, and depending where your underfloor supports your chassis, they'll either fit this way or they'll fit that way. Now your underfloor supports have the holes already lasered into them. All they've done is just filled it with galv, just need a 5mm drill bit and they'll clear straight out. Thanks for watching today's video. If you're not quite sure what underfloor support you do need, take a picture of your rate tub or your car, what you've got. I can tag it up, advise what you need. We can help you out that way. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.